Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of cycling comfort with the Ergon GP5 Grips, designed to elevate your touring and commuting experience. These grips feature an installation-friendly clamping system, which is currently patent pending, ensuring a secure and hassle-free setup on your handlebars. Crafted with a composite material, they incorporate rubber inserts that provide exceptional grip and comfort, reducing hand fatigue on long rides. The ergonomic design of the GP5 Grips offers optimal wrist support, allowing for a more natural hand position and improved control over your bike. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long-distance journey, these grips are engineered to enhance your ride with unmatched stability and comfort. With their innovative design and focus on rider well-being, the Ergon GP5 Grips are a must-have for any cyclist looking to upgrade their handlebar experience. So, gear up and transform your ride with these state-of-the-art grips that promise to make every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.